If you are doing your master research or doing your PhD, then you have to include some major contribution. Therefore, now I am going to discuss how latest ideas can be added in this model to extend this research. For this purpose, just consider the power system. Under the power system category, you have the transfer function model of single area power system as well as you have the model of two area power system. Now you have the option that you can perform the load frequency control of single area power system as well as load frequency control of two area power system. Similarly, you can also perform the automatic generation control of single area power system as well as automatic generation control of two area power system. Now for your master or PhD research, you still have the option that you can also add the transfer function model of renewable energy resources and perform their load frequency control or automatic generation control. Among renewable energy resources, you may consider the transfer function model of wind energy resource with this model and perform the LFC or AGC. Similarly, you can also add the transfer function model of solar energy and again perform the LFC or AGC. When you will include the renewable energy resources model with conventional model, then it will become the load frequency control of hybrid power plants or automatic generation control of hybrid power plants. This will be a good contribution for your master research or PhD research. Now, if you still want to extend this research, then you may apply the latest intelligent controllers in order to bring back the frequency within the minimum time, having less settling time, minimum overshoot and undershoot. Now, you may be confused that where you can put these intelligent controllers. Just look at the model of two area power system. You can see here we have used the integrator controller to reduce the error to zero, so that frequency or power can smoothly recover to its original value. But it may be observed that it takes a lot of time to stabilize the frequency and suffer from high frequency overshoot and undershoot. Therefore, if we replace the integrator controller with some intelligent controller, then the response of the system frequency, overshoot, undershoot and settling time may be improved. Therefore, you may use intelligent controller at this point. You may also use latest controller at this point as well as at this point. Now among latest controllers we have again many choices. You can add fuzzy logic controller. Then the topic will become load frequency control or automatic generation control of two area power system or hybrid power system using fuzzy logic controller. You can also use artificial neural network as an intelligent controller. Furthermore, artificial neural network also has many types such as radial basis function neural network or probabilistic neural network. You may also use the combination of artificial neural network and fuzzy logic controller, namely adaptive neuro-fuzzy inference system. You may also use the support vector machine model as an intelligent controller. It may be noted that many researchers prefer to use the PID controllers and they try to optimize its parameter using the latest optimization techniques. Therefore, if you want to use the PID controller, then you may have to use the following optimization techniques to optimize its tuning parameters. For this purpose, you may use ant colony optimization technique to tune the parameters of the PID controller. In that case, your topic will become the load frequency control or automatic generation control of single area power system or two area power system or hybrid power system using ant colony optimization technique. You may also add the bee colony optimization technique, cortical swarm optimization technique, firefly optimization technique, bacterial foraging optimization technique, or you may use any other latest optimization technique in this model to extend your research. To conclude, it may be noted that from this simple model, at least more than 30 different research of bachelor, FYP, master research, one or two objectives of PhD research can be considered. Just imagine that this simple model can be used for how many different research ideas. I have just highlighted 30 ideas for your convenience. Otherwise, from this model, hundreds of different research ideas can be generated with some modification and addition of different controllers. Dear friends, in this video tutorial, I have discussed many new ideas on how this model can be used to carry out the master and PhD research. Therefore, I strongly request to all of you that please share this video with as many of your friends, colleagues, your seniors or juniors as possible, so that he or she can learn from this video and complete his or her research. That's all for today's tutorial. I hope you really enjoyed this tutorial. Friends, I upload many videos based on various topics of power system and motivation on regular basis. Therefore, don't forget to subscribe my channel in order not to miss my latest videos. And don't forget to share my videos with your friends and class fellows so that they can also get benefit from these videos. Thank you very much.